What up, y'all? We back with another video with my boy Ethan.
Red Key Ethan, baby.
EPSRT. We about to hit this car meet. I don't know where. I don't know what we doing, but we about to get in some shit.
This shit's far and we about to waste a lot of gas, bro.
Yes, we are. We about to go pick up an SD card, meet up with his boy at Wicked Metallics, and we're gonna have a good time today. And we're gonna get some nice POVs, maybe some pulls.
Oh, we're definitely out all day and all night, bro. I promise.
We in fact did not stay out all day or all night, but we had a good time, so it's all right. Hell yeah, we gonna get into straight bullshit. We got that ski too, we ready. So we'll see what we get into.
I just put $40 yesterday, bro. I was averaging 7.3 miles per gallon yesterday. $40 got me to 3/4. All I did was go to the gym and home. And I'm already at half, so I don't know. I might as well
just throw 20 in, bro.
I'm about to probably just throw 20 in, bro, whatever.
We about to hit up this car meet. It looks like it's popping right now, so we about to pull up with some Mopar. Just filling up on gas. Y'all know how it be. I don't, because I don't have a Mopar. But I'm gonna live through them right now. So we'll see. Maybe I could drop one soon and then be part of the Hellcat boys. That's our T boys. Who knows? But right now we just about to fill up, go on a little drive. I'll get some cut up videos, you know, some little montages and see what happens. We got some Hellcat problems today.
Bro, I just filled gas up yesterday, bro, I swear.
We got EPSRT out here. Hey, what's your name, gang? I didn't even ask.
Kel.
Kel?
Yep.
Alright, bro, what's your shit?
Life for Kel on YouTube.
Life for Kel.
You know what I'm saying? We got a 2023 Last Call Wide Body Tribute to Paul Walker edition.
This bitch clean, man.
Just got it wrapped about a week ago. I still got a little more stuff to do to it, but
Who you go to?
that's how we come right now. Wicked Metallic, you know, the best of the city. You see it on the hood.
Hell yeah. I know that shit on that gas cap too.
Certified.
Woo!
Yes, sir. Tap in with them people, man. Get right. You gotta get Ethan right next, man. Ethan gotta get right.
Ethan is about to get right.
September, bro.
EPSRT.
Right. September, birthday rap coming, bro. I swear.
Hey, man.
Yeah, so many fast dudes, nigga, I can start a dealership. Yeah, bitch. You can't come around if you ain't gang, it's only membership. So many fast dudes, nigga, I can start a dealership. You can't come around if you ain't gang, it's only membership. Niggas play my songs and be like, I don't think y'all hearing them. She be getting cracked by everybody, that bitch is chicken head. Try to lay her down, fucked up, and I missed the bed. Finna text my favorite ex and be like, babe, I missed the head. The Draco like a hairstylist, this bitch don't miss the dread. Hey, who's selling the pint bottle? I kinda missed the meds. Riding in the little eater, it's a 5'7". Not even a week later, it turned into a cat. She said she don't be fucking when she first be meeting niggas. That same night I
Oh, yeah, that's
Good evening, officer. Where you go?
You got that electric bitch down there too. Right there. You see that?
Choppy right here. What the fuck?
They all leaving that motherfucker.
Look at this.
Woo!
Dog, this is fucking crazy, bro. I'm tweaking next to a cop, bro. I got, oh my
I couldn't
God.
even get this bitch recorded, but you sending me back.
Officer, that was not me. That was not me. That's all I got to say. Damn, bro, it's popping on here. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Look at this. That's just them spoilers, bro. That's what does it for me, for anything but a Dodge, bro.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they got cops up there, bro.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is cooked. Does this say we like here? Bro, I swear. They just look like dickheads, bro. This the dude that was next to me. What the fuck was that?
Alright, y'all, we made this bitch. You know, we here. We about to check out some nice Mopar, see what else they got. So we got a nice little Joker right here, right next to that Skyline. We got the Hellcat Challenger back there. That's Infinity right here blocking it. Could have had a lot better view, but man.
Bro. Paul Walker's Skyline GTR.
These two doing a nice little interview. We got the Stains right here. You know, I don't really fuck with Stains, bro. I'm a Mopar guy, but this bitch nice. Joker 392.
If you know, you know. This really.
Free the bang, man. Yo, mama so pussy, my mama so dope. Ain't too many make it out of Inkster, but I'ma give them hope. If I put the ball in your hands, boy, you better not choke. I ain't finna argue with no man, you can get smoked. All I need is bands, fuck some friends, lock that back door. I came in here with just me and my mans, but we got 4 poles. This little nigga thinking he the man, cause he got 4 balls. He don't know I'ma rob him in the end, watch he get exposed. Bitch come in here and fuck me and my twin, we be switching hoes. I done shot the wrong op again, cause they be sharing clothes. Boy, you need to buy another bin and get a new pro. I just made a whole new 10 off of crypto. Yeah, you slid a couple times, but go and bend some more. And don't never stop, nigga, till you up the scope. Yo, bitch finna catch this honey nut like some Cheerios. White nigga skied up, they think I'm Rey Mysterio. Standing members in my...
Motherfuckers definitely paying attention to this Skyline. Motherfuckers definitely paying attention to this Skyline, you know, fucking inspired Charger. This Charlie though. Charlie's still up there, #1. They both look good together. Right now it's just something calm, people revving a little bit, driving out, but I don't know what we're gonna get into. Hopefully we got some shit going on later. And then if we do, I'm gonna get that. Hopefully some spinning, maybe a chase, probably not, but who knows. We're gonna keep checking this shit out. We're gonna keep looking around, trying to find some shit. And then we're gonna get into some fun later.
I need that, need that, I need that, need that, I need that, need that, I need that, need that. You swear you don't give a fuck, so why you so on tip? You like that psychotic, you ain't getting no more dick. Bitch, take it down tonight, you wildin' out. She said she can't help herself, cause niggas like me out of stock. You obsessed like too obsessed, you gotta calm down. Burn them round, switch, the boys flick is getting tossed out. Gave my Ricky out, but dummy, look, he hit the wrong house. Yo, bitch love me, I'm really living what you talk about. I live in her mind so much, I should pay utilities. Every time they click my page, I make them sick of me. Mr. Bounce back from a loss, I make they stomach hurt. Say, yo, nigga, check them recent searches, I'm the one you search. Niggas sending sneaky disses, but I peeped that. Oh, she real and she bad, yeah, I need that. She wanna fly to Thailand and get her feet wet. Walking past, they look at her ass like I need that. I need that, need that, I need that, need that.
Holy Jesus. What the fuck is that?
It's really just a calm ass meet. I think it's for like a restaurant opening or something. So it ain't gonna be no crazy shit.
It was really for this this opening, I think for this chicken place, whatever. This food smells good though, I'm gonna try that.
The food do smell good. But I don't think nothing crazy gonna happen. If it do, we'll probably pick it up. But I don't know, we got some nice cars out here. We got the 2 Hellcats lined up over there. This shit just make me want a Hellcat so bad, bro. Come through, wrap that bitch nice.
Yeah, Hellcat is the funnest car driving. I don't know.
It's a great investment too. It's gonna make me money.
Investment, bro.
So, but we about to look around a little bit more than I already did, and we're gonna see what we're gonna get into. We might drive, we might not. He might go out. So we'll see what happens.
Who don't know what it's like.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of the car meet. We about to get up out of here. We got here a little late, but like, we really got all we needed to get. We saw some sweet ass cars, some nice ass pullouts. Saying bye to the Skyline.
Whatever he records, we'll just throw next video because I'm about to lock in. Put hands on the wheel.
Woo! Last time we seen the Skyline today. Whew.
Is this empty? Oh, oh, fuck, whatever.
Got that motherfucking Sport. We about to take off.
Got no. crap, I can't see shit.
Go after this white truck.
Alright, bet. I ain't even gonna slide the corner. I don't want to call this bitch. Woo! Alright, bro, I gotta put GPS for food. I'm hungry as hell, bro. Come on, bro. Oh shit, where everybody going? Yeah! Fuck, actually, I think I gotta get over. Shit! Oh my god, bro. Oh shit, I'm tweaking. Unfortunately, we gonna have to. Hey, when I see you, get it? Let me see. When I see you again.
Fuck! Screaming. Fuck.
Ready, buddy? Shit! I swear to God, funnest car to drive, bro. I swear to God, you gotta invest in a Hellcat, bro.
Man, Hellcat dropping like
Soon.
five,
All we gonna
very
say is
soon, very
soon. That's all
soon,
we
very
gonna say.
soon. Fuck, wide body Charlie coming.
Bro, imagine all the rest of the meets. Like, this is the first meet of the year. This is my first time out the house. So we got, it's not even like summer, bro. So all summer long, content all summer long, baby.
Cameraman. Woo. So they been slip slide trying to provide for me.
All this to get some fucking food, bro.
Get some chop. Be good.
I have that shit every day. Like you ever seen them people that get like the cars for free food for life?
Yeah.
If I could pick anywhere, bro, I'm picking tropical smoothie. Free chop for life, bro. Listen, beach bum with white chocolate, whey protein, and a chicken quesadilla. Shit, I'm on, man.
I can't even tell you the last time I had trop. Been a minute. Shit, it's alright. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. We didn't get too much content yesterday. We didn't really go out after trop. We kind of just went back to the crib. I'm here with my boy Gavin today. We're checking out his RT or his Hemi. He about to get either a swap or get himself a cat. We got the all black motherfucker with the yellow little accessories. He ain't start this today yet either, so we about to get a cold start. Say what's up to the camera, Gavin. Woo! I'm gonna put something mean. Yeah, we about to just go out, see what we're gonna get into, probably get a car wash. See, we got the underground tuning. He got a nice little tune in here. Nice little drive today, hopefully. And then see what we get into. I ain't know we had all this. I ain't been in here in a minute.
I drag the hell out of it.
Damn! That shit stank.
Hell yeah.
Burble tune?
Hell yeah.
What else you got?
It's a 93 too. That's about it. For now, cause yeah, we tearing it up out here. Plus I got a cat leak too, so I want to get some headers on this.
That would be nice. Do that a little beat.
Oh, dude, it'll help this car a lot.
Hell yeah.
Let it breathe.
Damn. Push Somebody farting.
Oh shit, look at, we got some.
Got some more Mopar over here. Oh shit. Got some Scats. Durango. Something nice.
You hear my brakes, bro?
Yeah,
Bro, those are brand new brakes too.
Running through this package to a package. Ha! Like that pressure on me, cause that pressure on me. I ain't tripping, you know that pressure creating diamonds. Whip 2 more trips off my wrist, might bust a paddock, fuck up my timing. I swear slapping, it's worth fine. Down the way, froze up the climate. This shit stacking, pace and climb. My stash so big, you gotta climb it. That's all solid. Off the wrist, my racks on bricky. I'm caked up. Without a deal, we move like this on some mob shit. They ain't nuts. Pulled all this profit out the dope game. A little cocky, they hate us. Like fuck you and what you stand for. You a bitch, you ain't no none. I'll make my bitch bag up this dope while I'm slapping out these perks. This did a feature for a stack and blew it all up on some triple Buffy's on like I'm a nerd. In here arguing with Skizzy, thumbing rack, ain't striking serve. I got Glock on me, Molly rocks, raw dope is straight. Drop on me, dubs off the Benjis in pink 50, different knots on me. Running through this package to a package, ha, like that pressure on me.
Top on me, and I got pink 50s in my denim. Do a skit, rewind it back in case them bandits said they missed him. Put a bitch on him, thinking with his dick gon' get him lifted. This shit chest for some checkers, less I got some seasoned chicken. Move like the mob, keep it G, we handle business.
Yeah, I tried to get some nice footage of him getting a car wash, bro. This shit just like exploded on me. But it's alright, because we got, you know, great content, great footage, great views of this car. And it sounds amazing too from the outside. So we about to get to driving, see what we get into. I'm just gonna bring y'all along. We back at a gas station. Y'all know how it get. We ain't getting gas today though. We just gonna check out the beauty of this car. He got that glowing RT logo. That be really stand up for real. And he a yellow guy, so you know he got that shit on. We really just came to get some drinks. We about to go check out this little spot. He might pull a fuse, try to spin it. Maybe. Then we're gonna get some pulls in the tunnel. See what content we can get out of that. This is still clean, man.
You want to drive in a fast like sedan, bro? Get in these Fusions, bro. I'm not even capping, bro. That shit, that little turbo bitch gets them moving.
I believe it.
That shit hard?
Hell yeah. Alright, y'all. We made it to this park. We ain't really gonna do nothing crazy today. We just gonna take some pictures of his car. We might get a little bit of revving action, but I don't think I'm gonna film too much more. We is gonna hit up a tunnel though, so we're gonna hear that burble tune as soon as we head out of here. Hear how loud this motherfucker can get. Yeah. So we're gonna flick up. I might get a little montage going if I don't already have one in the video, and then see what we get into. All alone in my and all these pussy niggas hating, trying to knock me off my grind, but I can't let them do it. I got murder on my mind, bitch. I got murder on my mind. I got murder on my mind. I got murder on my mind.
Who it was. The car fucking shitting its pants.
Definitely not the Hellcat SRT8
Okay.
driving by.
Yeah.
With the base model bumper.
Yeah. That shit was hard, bro. What do you mean? That was a real shiesty car, bro.
Yeah, we got that shiesty on now. We ready to move a little stealthy. Stealthy and loud. There's another tunnel.
You know it. Keep going.
Damn.
Horsepower, baby. More power.
Alright, y'all. We back at the gas station. This time we is gonna get some gas. Mopar problems. But that's the end of the night. We ain't doing nothing too crazy this video. It was just some calm shit, some checking out some cars, you know. Some raw footage, really. Nothing too illegal.
We're putting diesel in it.
You putting diesel in it? Putting diesel in the Mopar. But yeah, we about to hit the crib. I'm gonna go home. I'm not touching this video. I already got a little bit of this video done, but I'm going to sleep. I'm tired. It's been a long weekend. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Maybe we'll get some more illegal shit and exciting shit in the future, a couple future videos. Who knows? We'll see what happens. We just going with the flow. But until then, I'll see y'all later. Have a great night, evening, morning, whenever y'all watching this. Peace.